Hey, how you doing? On the menu today we're going to make some noodles, beef noodles, ground beef with some lovely Asian spices in there, some sauces, fish sauce, oyster sauce, soy sauce, super easy. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at what we have here. So I've got some ground or minced beef, whatever you call that. There's about 400 grams there. Noodles. Now you can use any type of noodle you want. Check the packet on how you cook them because you cook them very differently. These ones require me just to put them into some boiling water just for about 2 or 3 minutes. So they're nicely ready. A couple of red chilies. You can add as much or as little chili as you like. 1 onion, 1 tablespoon of garlic and ginger. I've got a really kind of fine paste there. You can chop it if you want. 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. We're going to start us off with some oil, add a little bit of salt and pepper. That is about it. Okay, so I've got my wok here and I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. You could be using something like corn oil or something like that. We're getting that nice and hot. And we're first going to drop in our sliced onion. I'm going to go just for 2 to 3 minutes on this high heat. Okay, so those onions just been in there for 2 to 3 minutes. We're now going to drop in our beef, our ground beef. Like I said, I'm using about 400 grams of beef. And for about 4 to 5 minutes now, staying on this high heat, we need to cook this. Keeping it moving pretty much all the time. So our beef is well on its way. And so at this point I'm going to add my garlic and ginger. Like I said, I've got this kind of paste type. If you wanted, you could put it in just sliced. I'm now going to add some black pepper. A generous amount. We're going to add some salt. And only a little bit because we've got fish sauce, very salty, soy, salty, oyster sauce, salty. So just a little touch. You can let this go for about another 3 minutes, keeping it moving. We're very nearly there. Fabulous. Let's get in our chili. I'm putting mine in whole. Chop it if you wish. Then we're going to go with that fish sauce. Very salty stuff. The soy. Now the soy that I'm using is a light one. Use dark if you want. Then the oyster sauce. I'm also now going to add a little touch of sesame oil. Going to give it a really lovely flavour. Incredible stuff. Okay, time for our noodles. In they go. And like I say, you can be using a different type of noodle to this. I like to use 2 spoons and I'll do this now. We're going to incorporate the noodles with the meat sauce for about 3 to 4 minutes on this heat. I'll see you at the table. And there you go. Just going to finish this off with some green onions or spring onions or scallions, whatever you call them. And that's it. Very simple, delicious ground beef noodles. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Lots of love.